Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youth Buddy. Dear students, job seekers, creators, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are someone who spends a lot of time on your laptop, doing assignments, presentations, browsing, or office work, this is especially for you. Let me ask you something. How many times do you find yourself clicking again and again just to do simple tasks? Copy, paste, open new tabs, switch between apps. It feels slow, right? And sometimes even frustrating. But don't worry, we've got a super simple solution for you. List of shortcuts for MS Office, PowerPoint, and browsers in computers, information from Youth Buddy. This is like a hidden superpower for your computer. Once you learn these shortcuts, your speed and efficiency will completely change. Let's understand how you can actually use this in your daily life. First, start with basic Microsoft Office shortcuts. These are the ones you'll use almost every day. For example, instead of going to the toolbar, just press Ctrl+B to make text bold, Ctrl+I for italic, Ctrl+U for underline. If you want to save your work quickly, just press Ctrl+S, no need to search for the save button again and again. Next, let's talk about editing shortcuts. Use Ctrl+C for copy. Use Ctrl+V for paste. Use Ctrl+X for cut. Use Ctrl+Z for undo mistakes. Use Ctrl+Y for redo. These alone can save you so much time during assignments or project work. Then comes Excel, especially useful for students and job seekers working with data. You can quickly add numbers using Alt+ = for auto sum. Want to insert today's date? Just press Ctrl+semicolon. And for time, Ctrl+Shift+semicolon. To move quickly across your sheet, use Ctrl+Home or Ctrl+End. Now, if you create presentations, PowerPoint shortcuts are a game changer. Start your slideshow instantly using F5. Add a new slide with Ctrl+M. Duplicate slides using Ctrl+D. And during presentations, you can even control the screen. Press B to turn it black or W to make it white. That's super useful during live presentations. Next, let's talk about web browsing, something we all do every day. Open a new tab using Ctrl+T. Close it with Ctrl+W. Accidentally closed something important? Don't worry, Ctrl+Shift+T will reopen it. Switch between tabs using Ctrl+Tab, super fast and smooth. And finally, Windows shortcuts. These make your entire system navigation easier. Open File Explorer instantly with Windows+E. Lock your PC using Windows+L. Switch between apps using Alt+Tab. And if you want to see your desktop quickly, just press Windows+D. Now let's quickly talk about why this is so powerful. First, it saves a lot of time. You don't have to rely on your mouse for everything. Second, it reduces confusion. Everything becomes quick and structured. Third, it works everywhere, whether you are using a laptop, desktop, or even during exams or office work. And most importantly, it makes you look more professional and efficient. The best part? These shortcuts become a habit. Once you start using them daily, your fingers will automatically remember them. So instead of working harder, you start working smarter. Start with just 5 shortcuts today. Practice them. Then slowly add more shortcuts for practicing. Within a few days, you'll see a huge difference in your speed. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the Shortcuts from Basic Info in Technology section on the Youth Buddy website. Yours Gayatri from Youth Buddy, signing off.